Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to folks on onespotmedia.com. We begin with a developing story. The St. Anne police are investigating the tragic murder and sexual assault of 8-year-old Talia Thompson in Discovery Bay, St. Anne this evening. Reports are that the suspect, who's said to be the neighbor and close associate of the child, was at home when he took her to his house where he sexually assaulted and killed her. Now, we understand that investigators are currently on the scene, and we will be monitoring this story and provide more details in subsequent newscasts. To other news, the island is now on high alert as the Health Ministry officially declared a dengue outbreak in the country. It comes after the island recorded 565 suspected and presumed cases as of Friday, September 22. As we hear in this report, children under 14 years are the most at risk.
In announcing the dengue outbreak on Saturday, Chief Medical Officer Dr. Jacqueline Bisesa McKenzie said the dengue type 2 strain is the most prevalent strain at this time. And the last time dengue type 2 was common in the country was in 2010, which spells trouble for children under 14.
As they have no memory of the dengue type 2, so they are more susceptible to getting dengue type 2. Dengue type 2 is known to produce a more severe illness. In addition, because persons would have been exposed in 2019 with dengue type 3 or 4, they will now get dengue type 2 as a secondary illness. And secondary dengue is also known to produce a more severe illness.
The Health Ministry said it became necessary to declare an outbreak because Jamaica surpassed the dengue epidemic threshold for July and August and is on the same path for September. As of September 22, 2023, the country recorded 565 suspected presumed cases of dengue, and of that number, 78 cases have been confirmed, with the majority being recorded in Kingston and St. Andrew, St. Catherine, and St. Thomas. While we were told there are no confirmed deaths, the ministry pointed to 6 deaths under investigation.
In 2019, our children were affected severely by dengue, and many of them passed. Now, a lot of those deaths was caused by the use of medications such as ibuprofen, diclofenac, and medications called non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs to treat fever. These medications either cause bleeding or worsen bleeding. I'm asking all parents, please consult with your pharmacist. Use only medication, paracetamol or acetaminophen.
As the government urges Jamaicans to be on high alert and destroy mosquito breeding sites around their homes, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton said more vector control measures are being implemented.
We have mobilized the parish health committees who are now working with the vector control teams in each parish. We have over 213 permanent staff, about 500 temporary staff, and we are now recruiting another 600. These are the persons who will go into the communities, will do the brochures, will inspect breeding sites, the drums, the solid waste, to try to control the population and to inform the public as to what they need to do.
Dr. Tufton further indicated that the ministry anticipates that the outbreak could continue into 2024, and so the ministry will be providing weekly updates to keep the public informed. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.